Hey guys, welcome back to Invest Desk, your number one channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news updates and forecasts. My name is Syed, and today, exciting topic, of course, DogeCoin price cross demand zone. And this is what I'm going to talk about. So it's about to get wings soon, and some more exciting news about DogeCoin as well. So the DogeCoin price has been trading well in the last couple of sessions and has added nearly 17% to its value in the last 3 sessions. Now, this price retraced the 20-day EMA and surge, indicating strength in the trend. The bears, by the way, tried to get into the game after the Doge price attained a new swing high. But the bulls made a comeback near the dynamic support of 20-day EMA and previous breakout zone, and the selling momentum faded away. So, the bulls are in control of the trend, and the crypto is headed upwards, forming higher highs and higher lows. The 20 and 50-day EMAs, by the way, are acting as a dynamic support levels. And the daily chart that you see showcases that DogeCoin has resumed on the higher side after a short-term correction in Feb. The short-term trend outlook is bullish at the moment, and the crypto may continue to conquer higher levels. So, the volume analysis, of course, shows that Doge received nearly 2.17 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, which is nearly 5.5% higher than the previous day. Now, this volume, of course, has been on the rise for the last few sessions, along with the rise in price. The social volume, by the way, also shows a positive trajectory, right? Which basically reveals the number of social media users engaged in the transactions of DogeCoin. Now, the social volume chart that you see highlights that a growth of nearly 60% in the number of users was observed in February, whereas the total number of social users participating peaked in the first week of April and then dropped nearly 25%. Now, recently, the number of users again started to increase, indicating a positive value for the crypto. The social dominance, very important, value of DogeCoin stands at about 2% at the moment, with an increase of nearly 0.5% in the last 1 week. Now, let's take a look at the technical indicators, which definitely imply a positive outlook. So from a technical point of view, the Doge crypto retraced the 20-day EMA, like I mentioned earlier, and surged higher, indicating strength in the trend. This DogeCoin crypto hovers above the 20, 50, and 200-day EMAs, suggesting a positive trend prevails in the short term as well as long term. Now, at the time, basically right now, the RSI line simply was placed at 60.28 points, right? That SMA line was at about 59 points. Both the RSI and SMA line were placed above the mean, basically indicating a positive outlook in the short term. Now, where do we see DogeCoin price moving forward in this year, right? On the optimistic note, of course, we're always that, DogeCoin price could gain a high of 26 cents, right, in April, if the bulls surpass the recent swing of 0.22 cents, right? On the other hand, by the way, the most pessimistic prediction, basically, from analysts is where the price to reach 0.12 or 12 cents if it breaks below the recent support level of 17 cents. So, DogeCoin, of course, price is extending the gains on the third consecutive sessions and has jumped nearly 4.26% to about 20 cents, which is not bad. So the price rebounded from the 20-day exponential moving average and surged, indicating strength in the trend. The short term, by the way, as well as the long-term trend outlook is positive, due to which the crypto may resume its way towards higher levels. Now, the bulls have regained control after a short-term correction in February and are intending to conquer higher levels. And I've talked about this, right? And I've talked about the support levels. I've talked about the resistance levels as well. There you go. So now you know where DogeCoin stands right now, right at this moment, where the price is, of course, at about 20 cents or past 20 cents. And that's what we're looking at, right? Because DogeCoin is at 0.2025. And that's not bad, because at InvestDesk, when we started way back in February, well, last year or a couple of years ago, it was at 4 cents, 3 cents, right? So from that perspective, that's a pretty high gain, and we're still holding on our Doge, of course, like we always do. Right here at InvestDesk, our portfolio contains Dogecoin, of course, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies, and some, of course, we sort of like sold last years when, of course, there was high risk. And of course, as you all know, make sure you do your research. Let me know if you have any questions with this. Thanks for watching. Comment down below. I'll see you guys next time.